Hi you guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good, and today I am back with another skincare video. It's been a long time since I've showed you guys my updated skincare routine. There are going to be certain serums and I'll tell you how I use them in order to have beautiful and glowing skin. It includes 4 serum from morning to night. I use them, and how I use them, that is something I will be telling you in this video today. So without further ado, let's quickly dive in. So guys, the first serum which I use in the morning is Zayn and Myza Vitamin C Face Serum, which has 100% more vitamin C. It has cacao plum along with ascorbic acid. It helps in giving you beautiful, fresh and glowing skin. It also helps in fading away dark spots or the acne spots you have on your face, and the formula is non-greasy and it gets absorbed in your skin very quickly, and I love how beautiful it makes me look. Also, the product doesn't contain any harmful chemical which might harm your skin. Now guys, that time of month in which we all get acne and zits, so instead of using vitamin C serum, I go for Zyan and Myza tea tree and salicylic acid face serum. It helps in calming down acne and blemishes with the power of tea tree oil, which helps in fighting acne causing bacteria. It is paired with 2% salicylic acid, which helps in controlling oil and also helps in cleaning the clogged pore, which is really important for me. It also has niacinamide and thanaka wood powder, which helps in healing up the acne, and the formula is non-greasy guys. That is why I love this brand so much. And all you need to do is take few drops, apply it all over your face, and believe me guys, you won't need anything else because this helps in moisturizing your skin and gives you spotless glowing skin. Next up guys, I love using AHA on my face because it helps in gently exfoliating dead skin cells, and I love the glow it gives to my skin. And now I am going to be talking about Zyan and Myza Fruit AHA 10% Face Serum. So I'll tell you what it does. It helps in gently exfoliating your skin. It helps in reducing spots and enlarged pores and gives you spotless natural glow. It has fruit AHA, which helps in gently removing dead skin cells and give you brighter, younger looking skin. It's very easy to use. All you need to do is take the dropper, apply the serum all over your face, and I use my fingers to spread it. Do not apply it near your eyes, just take care of that. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that wash it off using cold water, and you're gonna have beautiful skin in the end. It is gonna remove whiteheads, blackheads and any kind of clogged pores you have on your face. You will see your pores unclogged. I love the fact that it helps in removing the whiteheads I have on my nose, and it helps me in giving beautiful and brighter skin tones. So guys, last but not the least, I end up my day using this Retinol face serum with rosehip extract. Now we all know what retinol is used for. If you don't, I'll tell you. It has strong anti-aging properties, so if you have little bit of fine lines or wrinkles, it will make sure that it eradicates them. I completely trust this product guys. It helps in overnight cell renewal, and you guys are gonna wake up with beautiful skin in the morning. It also helps in moisturizing your skin. It has rosehip extracts, and after applying this guys, I do not apply anything on my face. It helps in giving you beautiful, fresh looking and younger skin in the morning. So guys, this is all I wanted to talk about. These are all the products which I use throughout the day, which helps in giving me beautiful and glowing skin. These products are completely free from those nasty chemicals which might harm your skin. These are completely safe to use. I have used it on myself. I have been using it from quite some time now, so I thought that I'll share my review with you guys. I hope you like the video, and I will make sure that I give all the products link in the description box below. So what are you waiting for? Just go and check them out right now, and I will see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.